1607 on the 19th of January 2022, and here to observe the very last moments of sunlight for the sun sign Capricorn. 1651, a beautiful sky. "31 minutes after sunset, on the 19th of January 2022. 8:15, and as I said, the sun is well up, and the ethereal moon this morning in a nice blue sky with a few clouds in front of it. So that's Aquarius 2022, and just over the way we have Gosport in the distance on the horizon. So no snow this morning, but lots of icy patches on the path and on the grass. "20th of January 2022, and we saw the sun rise in this direction this morning, and now at 16:06 it's about to set on the Isle of Wight in that direction. Yes, so it didn't travel very far in the sky, it wasn't very high, and it's coming down over there for the first day of Aquarius 2022. Yes, sunset in 30 minutes. 16:24, which means 12 minutes until the official sunset, and it's definitely a cloud sunset. On the 26th of January 2022, and it's 20 minutes before the official sunset, which is at 16:46 today. Just the last seconds of light, of sunlight, and there she goes. Into the distance. It's quite cold today, 5 degrees. 16:42, so a good 5 minutes until the official sunset time, and there's just a little bit of the sun, about a quarter of the sun to be seen behind the clouds. Here to witness another incredible sunset, and it could be a cloud sunset tonight. It's now 16:40, so 14 minutes until the official sunset time. And the date today is the 31st of January 2022. As we watch the sun, it appears to be moving beyond the cloud in front of it. Seems to be a shine on the water as well. .10, so a good 12 minutes after sunset. Very bright sky. 16:58, final moments of sunset on the 4th of February 2022. And there she goes, sinking behind the Isle of Wight. 16:10, so 53 minutes before sunset, but this will actually be our cloud sunset for today. (16:18), and this looks to be the last we will see of the sun direct, the sun disk, on the 5th of February 2022. It's now 16:19. There we are. The light shining down at different angles, all leading back to the sun. Which is probably about 9,000 miles from here. 12:18 coming up to 12:19 and solar noon. So we can see basically where the sun is located at this time of the day. This is the highest it will go on the 8th of February 2022. And we can see the sun shining on the water in the distance. Okay, so now it's 5 p.m. and the sun is emerging below the cloud, but it's being obscured by other smaller clouds in the distance. So 5 p.m. on the 9th of February 2022. Now 5:03 p.m. and from our vantage point we can see that the sun is over Gosport, over the edge or the corner of Gosport, and beyond the Isle of Wight. Solar noon. (11th of February 2022), and as we can see, the sun is clearly setting beyond the edge of Gosport tonight. Yes, it's now 17:07, so still 7-8 minutes until the official sunset, but we can see exactly where it's going to disappear from view this evening. as seen from South Sea West Beach next to the hovercraft. The 12th of February 2022, and this shot is from the round tower overlooking Gosport. Very windy day, just over an hour until sunset, and over the other side we have a nice shot of the moon. Nine minutes until sunset, and this is a very inspiring view. And we have an ethereal moon. (17:11), so 8 minutes until the official sunset, and it looks as if the sun will have a cloud sunset this evening. 17:13, and we can see the sun seems to be just about resting on the land of Gosport from our viewpoint, which we can see with the naked eye. Yes, a nice glowing disc. We have the perfect couple for our Valentine's video. Well done. Not forgetting, of course, that it is a moon day. 16:59, and so a good 20 minutes until the official sunset, and we can see that the sun is high above the edge of Gosport now. And this will be our Valentine's sunset 2022. From this vantage point, and with a cloud in the way, we can watch the sun move significantly to the right as it moves on its circuit. Now just 15 minutes until the official sunset. And now just 10 minutes until our official sunset on the 14th of February, Valentine's Day 2022. Beautiful sunset. (17:11), so 8 minutes until the official sunset, and it looks as if the sun will have a cloud sunset this evening. 17:13, and we can see the sun seems to be just about resting on the land of Gosport from our viewpoint, which we can see with the naked eye. Yes, a nice glowing disc. We have the perfect couple for our Valentine's video. Well done. So 3 minutes until the official sunset, and the sun is half hidden, or 75% hidden, by the land of Gosport. As we watch it disappear into the distance. Not forgetting, of course, that it is a moon day. So now this is the official moment of sunset, and it's lit up with some splendid colours. Burgundy reds and bright yellows. And yes, it is a moon day. Now 17:20, so 1 minute after the official sunset. So now 2 minutes after sunset, and the moon is definitely clocking in for a night's work. With a beautiful sunset. Sunset and a few brave couples braving the cold. Well, it's not that cold, 9 degrees Celsius. As we can see from this vantage point, the sea is rather agitated. It's blowing a gale for the first day of Pisces, so not forgetting that Pisces is a water element. Yes. Now, what we're interested today is the ruling planet of Pisces, which is Neptune, which is the modern ruler, and Jupiter, the traditional ruler. Now, Neptune is the god of the sea and is considered a planet of inspiration, dreams, psychic receptibility, and broader purpose. Yes? Oh, it's blown a gale. Now, Pisces is associated with the colours lavender and sea green to represent fertility, renewal and faith, whereas lavender is associated with spiritual healing and cosmic consciousness. Not forgetting that Pisces is also connected to the 12th house. Now, for more details, see the link below the video for Cafe Astrology. Just a bit of flooding. Pisces 2022. Final moments of Pisces, first day, 2022. The time sunset. 18th of February, Pisces, 2022. The moment of sunset, 17:06. Blowing again. Now 17:15. As we can see, there are still white horses on the waves. But it's still good, blowing a gale. An hour and 12 minutes until sunset, and from this vantage point with the naked eye, the sun is a perfect glowing disc in the sky. It's blowing a gale, and we're filming from the round tower overlooking Gosport. Some 6 minutes before sunset, and we can see with the naked eye that half of the sun is still visible beyond the buildings in the distance, and it's blowing a gale. Now solar noon was at 12:18, so now as we can see, the sun is high up. This is 14:33, so a good 2 hours after solar noon, and everyone's enjoying the beach today. 32. Some 6 minutes until the official sunset, and from this vantage point, the sun is seen to be just resting on the Isle of Wight. Now 10 minutes until the official sunset. And it looks like our intrepid fishermen are going to be fishing in the dark. But they're not worried because they're quite safe. They told me, you know, they've been jabbed.